All right, today is day 4. We are going to lay out all your pieces.
That's right.
Like, come back here, leg.
There we go.
All right, put all your pieces to the side. All right, and then let's just kind of sort through and see what we have. Obviously wings. Not sure. Eyes.
Okay.
No clue. We have black things and we have orange things.
My goodness.
Well, if we're making an insect and we know insects have 6 legs, which ones do you think are the legs?
The black ones are
The black ones.
Yeah, we have more of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they always have 2 antennae, so these are gonna be our antenna. What kind of insect are we gonna make? Look at that.
Oh, wait a minute. That looks like Frank. Is that a
It
fire?
does look like Frank.
Is that a firefly?
It is.
All right.
All right. Then you have a bunch of words. All right. We'll come back to our words. All right. First thing that we're going to do is we are going to glue the back part onto maybe about the center-ish of your board. Okay. So that's where we're going to start. All right. So get this piece, flip it over, put some glue on it. Plop it right in the middle. Okay? I guess this is more the middle. Okay? Then let's try this piece. Let's see if this piece fits. What do you think?
I think so.
All right. So this is another piece of our insect that we will learn in just a second. Okay. Head. Do you think maybe that's what this circle is?
Ah, yes, that would make sense.
All right. So maybe our eyes need to go on our circle, which is going to make our head. So let's see how we want to do this. All right. Let's glue our circle on. And then see how you want your eyes to look. Okay. Miss Rachel, you have to help me because I can't really tell.
I think the other way is good.
So this way, so it's kind of like looking at you like, hey.
Let's learn about me today.
That's right. So once you figure it out, flip it over. So when you flip it back, it is the way you want. Okay. All right. So then we are missing some wings. Right? So we got to figure out where our wings gonna go. Do we want them to go that way? Do we want them to go this way? Miss Rachel.
Let me think about it.
Back the other way.
I think so. I think the way you had it first was good. Yeah, I like that.
Okay. So let's put our wings on, flip them over. Whoops. Stay. Okay. And then just kind of line it up. All right. Flip it over. And line it up. And then we have our antenna. So we're going to put our antenna on. Which side did I put the glue on? Let's try that again. Come off my finger.
There we go.
I think maybe he needs to come over just a little bit. Okay. And then line up the other one. Does that look right?
No,
Not
that's
really.
kind of silly. Let's try the other way.
Okay, so flip it on this side. Make sure you glue the right side. I'm getting more glue on my fingers today. All right. Good?
Good.
All right, now we have all of these legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Because fireflies are insects.
They
So
are
they
insects.
have 6.
All right. So try to line them up. See where you want them. They're usually in pairs. I had 2 legs sticking together, so make sure you only put 6 on yours. All right. So I'm going to probably put mine in groups, 2 at a time, so in pairs. Okay. So that's probably how I'm going to put mine on. Just like that. Okay? All right. Once you have it figured out where you're going to put them, just take off each piece, put some glue on, and then try to get it off your finger again. All right. Our insect is getting 6 legs. All right, one more time. I know we went over this every single day. Why is a spider not an insect? It is a bug, but why is it not an insect?
It has the wrong number of legs to
Wrong
be
number
an
of
insect.
legs.
You need 6 to be an insect, and spiders have 8. An extra pair in there, if you will. There you go.
All
And
right.
look, Miss Chrissy is really good. She made sure the feet were all facing the same way, too, on your bug.
Yeah, you don't want any broken legs.
No, not
No
today.
broken legs.
Not today.
All right. Next, you have all of these words. What's that one?
That is abdomen.
Okay. You also have, because I cut off my paper, you probably have a whole list of words. We're gonna just, if you have scissors, you can cut them. Miss Chrissy's just going to go like this.
Fold and rip.
Fold and rip.
There we go.
My fingers are very sticky.
Oh, from all the glue with these
Yes.
teeny tiny legs and teeny tiny antenna.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, Miss Rachel, you can focus on
Sure.
each one.
Yes.
And while I'm finishing tearing these.
So let's look at these words. So we did abdomen. That's this long one here. This word up here is wings. We have head. Ooh, this is a funny word. It's called thorax. It's got a lot of fun sounds in that one. Let's do that one again. Thorax. We have legs and antennae. Antennae is plural, means 2 antenna. Yep.
That's right. All right. So, we are going to put it on our paper, and then we're going to draw a line. And you can use your dry erase marker for this, or you can get a pencil. Okay. So, most people know legs. Okay. You kind of want to glue it onto the paper where the legs are.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't want to glue it up here.
No.
Okay. But we are going to draw a line. So you can lay out all your pieces and then we'll glue them down. Okay. So legs put somewhere, doesn't have to be where I put it, but just somewhere in this general area. All right. How about wings? Everybody knows where wings are, right?
Yep. We know those.
Okay. So I'm going to put this one up here. All right. Got our antenna, our legs, our wings. Head, that's easy,
Yeah,
right?
Even we have heads. We know where that
Okay.
is. Yeah.
So I'm going to put that one over there. Abdomen?
Ooh,
Where's your abdomen?
your abdomen is just, that's a fancy word for belly. That's your belly.
Belly. Question is where's the belly? What's this word?
Thorax. Thorax. So again, that's a funny one. We don't hear that one very often, but the thorax is kind of near your chest, up high.
Okay, so on us it would kind of be like this,
Yes.
down from my head.
Yep.
Okay. Thorax, abdomen. So, if this is the head, this must be its thorax or chest, and this must be his abdomen.
Abdomen. Yes.
Okay? All right. So, go ahead and glue on your words. And if you want to make this more of a game and not glue these on, that's totally fine. You could put them upside down, just another different way you can do this. If you don't want to glue them down, flip them all over. Pick one and then try to lay it where it goes. Okay?
Like a matching game.
And that way you can play it over and over and over again. Once you know exactly where they are, go ahead and glue them down.
Yes.
Okay, but if you want to put it away and keep practicing until you know exactly where each piece is, just do like a little matching game, and then you can glue them down and draw the lines. All right, almost done here. Wings. My abdomen. All right. Okay. Here's the easy part. We went over it. We kind of put them in the same place. Now we just have to take and draw a line to what it is. Wings, 2, and abdomen. There you go. That's what it should look like when it is all done. Look at your cool little bug that you made. Okay, our insect is a firefly, 6 legs, set of antenna, a set of wings. All right, we have our antenna, our head, our thorax, chest, abdomen, and wings. There you go. This is Frank. Who's this one going to be?
Oh, we have a friend, don't
We
we?
do have a friend.
Should we stick with Firefly or should we switch to Lightning Bug this time around?
Okay,
Ooh,
lightning bug.
Let's do Lindy the Lightning Bug.
Lindy the lightning bug is going to
Adorable.
go hang out with Frank the firefly.
That's right.
That's so cool. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you had fun. See you later.